So let's go ahead and install MaryUI. So to do that, we're going to avoid the automatic installation due to it being a bit problematic with Laravel 11 and Laravel Breeze. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to publish the configuration. And then inside Mary.php, we just want to have Mary set up here as the prefix. And then you want to make sure you run PHP artisan view clear. Or alternatively, you can also just run clear, which will clear all the different configurations and cache in the application. It's up to you. Outside of that, the other thing I want to make sure of is inside here. You can see we have this layout file, but I want to have the xtoast or xmarytoast in this case inside the afterblade.php file. So let's head into our resources, views, components folder. We have the components here, and then we have inside layouts afterblade.php. And in here, I just want to have xmarytoast. And we need to also require Daisy UI inside here. So what you're going to have to go ahead and do is you're going to have to go in here and say require Daisy UI. Let's go ahead and run npm run dev now and see what happens. At the moment, we can't find the module Daisy UI, so let's make sure we also run npm install and then npm run dev. Alright, so we're still having this issue here. So let's go ahead and make sure that we have Daisy UI installed. Let's go into a package.json file. And in here, we just want to make sure that we run npm install Daisy UI. And then run npm run dev. Just like that. And we should now have everything installed. If any other issues comes up later on, we will work on resolving those. But to test this out with inside our login page, let's just add in an extra component just to test that it works. So let's head into login.blade.php. And inside here, I just want to put through xmary input. And let's head into login. And it does look like it's appearing. So that means that it's working. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.